Hello guys, so welcome to another video. In this video, I'll quickly show you how you can promote offers from CPA Grip in a different way. So I'm going to show you a website. Maybe some of you may have seen this website already and know that it's already existing. But for those of you who are first time knowing this website, in this website that I'll be showing you in this video, you can effectively promote an offer from CPA Grip. So this is a brand new technique that I don't think any of the YouTubers who teach affiliate marketing have shown this. So I'm going to show you this one. So the website is called rapidworkers.com. So if you head over to this website, register with a free account, and then what this website actually does is, people will create a task here, and then those members who are wanting to earn money will come here and check out the available task from this website and see whether they can complete some of the task and get paid. As you can see, most of the tasks added here are from CPA Group. As you can see here, these are all sign-ups, like answer the survey, complete the sign-up, so all of this. But some of them are quite easy, like for example, there are tasks here that you can see, like share this post to Facebook or share this post to your Facebook wall, which you can get paid very low price. Like for example, this one, subscribe to YouTube channel and get paid. You can get 0.03, but if you are answering an offer from CPA Grip, it pays quite well, 0.40, 0.40, as you can see here, 0.35. You will easily notice that these offers are from CPA Grip. So what I'm going to show you is not how you can earn by answering this task, but we will actually post the same advertisement in this Rapid Workers. I will show you, and this technique, we will have them to sign up a form, sign up an offer, and once they complete that, they will need to provide us the code, which we can do that by using the uh, content locker functionality that we can find in CPA Grip. So to do that, we head over to this offer tools, and then monetization tools, and we click this content lockers. Okay, now we not content lockers, actually it's URL file locker. So this is what we will be using. Okay, so just click this create new. Okay, just hit on agree, click on continue. Now what we can have here is the task that we will be going to make them complete is that answer the three offers that we will be showing them, and they will be redirected to a code that we will be attaching here, so that it's protected. That code is protected only when they complete the offer. Then that's the time the code will be revealed for them, and in that way will need to answer what we are asking them, which is complete the three offers that we are going to show them. Okay, so to do that, here we will be pasting the URL of the code, which we can put in the image. Okay, here. So to do that, easily do that, grab a notepad. Okay, and then write a code here. Okay, you can say 2888998. So this is the code that we need them to give us. So in that way, it's a proof that they have completed the offer. Okay, we will also need to cross check if we earn the amount from the offer, and of course we will be earning, because they won't be getting this code if they don't complete the offer. So most probably, once they provide us the correct code, it means that they have completed the offer and we have already get our commission. All right, so here, so make that a little bit larger and not too complicated. What we can do here is cut this one, grab this code. Okay, we just need this. Okay, do Control C, file new. Okay, make this smaller and paste the code. Okay, so make this smaller. Okay, and then save this as code. Okay, code. All right, let's see, code, CPA Grip. All right, now we will need to host this image so that we can acquire the URL to be pasted here. So the easiest way to do that is head over to, I know most of you who are watching the channel know about this website, thepagepro.com. So register your free account. It's originally a free landing page creator, but you can also host image here. So you sign in and you head over to this manage images. Okay, once you're here, just browse the image that you saved from Microsoft Paint. So this one, code. All right, now upload that and see, this is the image. So to get the URL of this image, so you just click that and the URL will be on your browser. So grab that. Once you have it, go back to CPA grip content file locker, and it's there. It's now protected. So only when they complete the offer, they will be redirected to this code, and they will come to know what will be the code we are asking, so that they get paid in the campaign that we will be setting up in Rapid Worker. Okay, so once we have that, so just simply have this very quick okay, show 3 offers. So refresh preview. So begin download. Okay, so once they are here, okay, so first of all, make the configuration. So if you want, because here in Rapid Worker, you can set the targeted country. So you can have it international, USA, Brazil. So what you can do here is just leave it as it is. So go back here. So just leave it because it will adjust based on the country. Okay, what we can just do here is put some prioritization on the offer we want to show first. As you can see, this one, it pays 9.84. Wow. So we will make this at priority. So if they are from Australia, then they will see this offer first. Okay, and another, so make this 3 as the priority and then save it. Okay, so once you have that, it's locked now it's locked. So let's modify it a little bit. So this is for our Rapid Worker. So if you have more than one URL file lockers, you won't get confused. Worker code. You can customize this a little bit, but I won't spend time doing that. So it's easy to customize, but as long as we have the file lock here, that's the important thing. Okay, so just save that, and once you are in your list, so this is the URL that's locked, get links. Okay, so you get this, copy that. All right, and then we head over to Rapid Worker. So here to advertise, it is very cheap. You will need to spend some amount here. Okay, it's not free, but it's very cheap and it's quite effective. Okay, so what we can do here is go to my campaigns. As you can see here, I've got one campaign running already. So as you can see, they need to I needed 50 people to complete this particular task. Okay, so again, so this is the tip that I'm going to reveal to you. So what you can have here is don't put it as 50 because it will take time to fill in the amount of tasks to get completed. So because you won't know if this task, if this campaign that you are putting up is effective or not. If people will, will bite and accept and do the task, so you won't know. So if you set up initially 50 people, you don't get a chance to cancel this campaign. So it will run forever until it gets completed. So what we can do here is put a new campaign, and then here, just this, okay, there is a configuration here, minimum workers. Make it 5 only initially. So observe whether your campaign gets completed easily, then you can create another campaign. But don't put instantly 50 people to complete the offer, or 20 people. It's too much. Like what I did, it was my first time. So see that those 12 people out of 50, I think that campaign is already running for a week now, and only 12 people sign up. So in order to test if your campaign is effective or not, just put a small amount of people to complete the task. Okay, so as you can see, it's very cheap, 0.75. And what you can do here is put international, so it gets completed quickly. And here it is a sign up, most probably, because most of the offers from CPA grip, they will ask people to sign up in the survey. Now what you can have here is a description. You can put a complex sign up, or maybe simple sign up, so that people will bite it. And here what you can do is 4 minutes to complete, because those are we are putting 3 tasks, or you can put 2 or 3, depends on how much CPA grip will pay. And here you can set how much each of offer you will pay. Like for example, each task that each person that completes the task, he or she will receive 50. Make it a bit higher so it's inviting for them, okay? Because for 50 cents you will earn like in the CPA grip, you can earn at least $3 each people. So it's a profit for you guys, okay? So put here 5, just like what I said. Now here, this is where you are going to put the instruction, okay? So what you can do is complete the 3 offers that you can uh, that you will see from this link, okay? And then post the URL of your file locker, not the URL of the code. It's the URL of the file locker where we lock the code, this one here, okay? So you need to post this one, okay? So that once they complete the task here, they will be redirected to the code, okay? So that means it's a proof that they have completed what we are asking them, okay? The number 2, provide me the code that you will see after you complete the task, okay? Okay, here in the proof you will instruct them how you want the code to be sent to you. Either you want it to be sent to your email or just a screenshot, okay? So what you can do here is send screenshot of the code after the task completion. All right, now here 3.43, what you can do here is take this. So randomly your campaign will be put on top of the list, okay? And make sure you put a color, okay? So make a little bit attractive color, so orange highlight. It's not too much, that's just 30 cents. So imagine you just need to pay 4.23, and if these 5 people completed what you are asking them to do, the task here from offer grip, then you will earn at least like $15. So let's say example $3 per person or $2. Still you get profit. Look, 5 times $2, it's $10, or 5 times $3, that's $15. And then if it's effective, you can create another campaign and increase the number of available people to complete the offer. That's simple, okay? So I hope you like this technique, and if you know people who are interested in this kind of marketing, so kindly share this video, and don't forget to put your comment below if you want me to try something else, and don't forget to like this video so that it gives me a little boost here on YouTube. And if you haven't subscribed yet, so just subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learn from this. Okay, thanks guys.